Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying physical links and basic assignments. First, plug the Ethernet cable into the same port and confirm the NIC light is blinking. That proves a Layer 1 connection. Once done, reboot the router and your PC to refresh DHCP leasing. Then open Settings Network and Internet and locate the adapter showing Media Disconnected. You do this now so subsequent steps address software state, not a dead cable, which saves time. Next, you perform targeted software fixes to restore the link. Start by disabling, then re-enabling the adapter in Device Manager so drivers reinitialize. Make sure it returns from Media Disconnected. Then, execute netch commands to enable the interface and request a new IP with ipconfig/renew, which clears stale DHCP info. If the problem persists, reset the TCP/IP stack and WinSock to repair corrupted network parameters, and restart the PC to apply. Finally, you reinstall drivers and validate connectivity. Uninstall the adapter in Device Manager and choose Scan for hardware changes, or install the newest driver from the manufacturer to fix driver-level defects. This often resolves persistent media disconnected states. Make sure the adapter now has a valid IP and ping the gateway, then 8 to confirm internet. If it still fails, swap cable and router port. And as a last resort test, with a USB network adapter to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.